What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol BKKT for Bakkt holdings. On the left-hand side, we do have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, yes, this will of course be an update here, and the main thing I wanted to point out is the fact that we obviously rallied on today's session, came into a known area of resistance here, and closed above it. Okay, so zooming in on this 30-minute intraday time frame chart, you can certainly start seeing that this is going to act as a bull flag. Long-legged hammer on the last 30-minute bar would indicate that on this attempt to kind of break down here, the buyers actually stepped up into the end of the day and pushed prices higher, remaining, again, closing rather, inside of this flag right here. The next thing I want to do is take out the Fibonacci's, come in from the low of the day, and basically look at the high of the day and see where that 38.2 is. So clearly on that end of day little pullback, that push attempt lower, as noted by the lower wick, you can see punctured the 38.2, but obviously closed much higher, again, back inside of the overall flag range. So pretty healthy movement, in my estimation, inside of BKKT, not literally spelled Bakkt, but you get the point here. So healthy movement inside of Bakkt holdings. What I do want to do is take out the extended hours session and basically point out, maybe you didn't see this, maybe you weren't watching this, but these are going to be upside targets here. Now, don't get me wrong. This is a very, very euphoric move here. I'm not saying that this stock is going to 55 in the next day or two, but what I am saying is if it does want to grind its way higher, these people, because of the nature of this move, not only was it after hours, but it was on low volume, right? So these people here, I would actually give it to it there, decently high volume for a post-market move, but they're going to be overhead supply. Now, what does that mean? Usually people who are trading in the after hours have weaker hands. They're basically looking for the stock to do something the very next day, right? They're positioning for that move. Generally, if you want to just get in for a 10-year run, you're just going to buy at the market open or buy at the market close of any given day. So these people, weaker-handed people, are having, quite a painful time right now, noting that we've done nothing but sell off from their potential entry points up here. So noting that it's overhead supply, you would look for this to act as resistance if we start coming into it during a regular trading hours session. So pointing out that we have 39.63, basically $40. After that, you can see up here is kind of the next major area of contention at 52. So these are upside targets, and they're going to be areas of resistance, okay? Expect some selling pressure at this $40 mark. You could even expect some here at the 46. I really would rather focus on this, though, at the 52. So those are my thoughts here inside of Bakkt holdings. Again, I wanted to point out the bullish pattern, but we have known overhead resistance if it wants to make a run higher up into this area of the chart, okay? So really wanted to point that out. Hopefully that was useful. Hopefully walking through the psychology of why we expect selling pressure there was useful. If you did enjoy the video or learned something new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.